I would like to welcome you, Madhvi and Amruta, on behalf of the entire team as our esteemed speakers for this year's conference. We are glad that you are one of our speakers at this year's conference. So, can I request you guys to introduce yourself? Whoever would like to go first?
Yeah, okay. So, hi, my name is Amruta Dungarwal. Uh, I have worked with Cognizant as a senior test analyst for the last 9 years. And as a part of my role, I have handled end-to-end performance testing activities. So, even I have presented paper in the same conference in 2017 on an innovative take on Versa test. Uh, which I have learned myself. And during work breaks, I like to play chess and badminton.
Thank you so much, Amruta, for the introduction, and we are glad that you are the part of the conference once again after 2017. Thank you so much. So, Madhvi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi. So my name is Madhvi Patel, and I've been working with Cognizant since the past 10 years. I'm also working as the performance testing lead here in UK for a leading financial organization currently. So as a part of my role, I was responsible for end-to-end project delivery from a non-functional perspective. And like I would say, like apart from work, as a stress relieving activity, I like cooking. I like cooking a lot. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Madhvi and Amruta, for the introduction. So, I believe your topic is AWS performance testing, how to do it right. So, can you share something more about the topic and what would be the key takeaways for the audience after attending your session?
Yeah. So what I feel is, considering current pandemic, everyone must have gone through some online courses like on AWS or any performance testing. But during our session, we will be covering more practical scenarios which we have implemented in our projects, and which will help audience to gain more insights on how to do a performance testing on AWS applications. Okay, we will cover one of the way which we have implemented already. So in this we will be covering uh, AWS basic concepts, even some important services of AWS, and number of performance tests which we can perform on AWS application, and as well as one of the utility which we have created to create for test data creation. So which can be recreated or enhanced based on the project requirement.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Amruta. And Madhvi, would you like to add something more to that?
Yes, I would like to second Amrita on that. That yes, everyone must have gone through some of the other online course, but what our paper would suggest is one of the way that we have implemented, and it is actually based on our experience. That okay, so this is one way of doing performance testing on an AWS application for which these services are involved. So it will also, apart from the topics which Amrita mentioned, it will also cover the test NFT test setup that we did for testing the application, and also what all issues we face and what can be resolutions for that, and also like what all monitoring is in place for that particular application, and how what approach we can take to do the monitoring and to resolve the known issues and resolution while we are doing the performance testing.
Thank you so much, Amruta and Madhvi. And I think your session would be very much relevant, and there is a lot of things which folks would learn and take away after your session. So, moving ahead, Madhvi, you mentioned that you like to cook food, and that is one of your passion, and you love to do that. So, it's like if I were to ask, what is your favorite food, which you
Yeah.
like cooking, or which you would like to make and serve to your family members?
the current obsession would be Italian. So I like making pastas, like all sauce from scratch and everything. So I like to do that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Madhvi, for that. Amrita, you mentioned that you'd like to, if I'm not wrong, you said that you like to play chess, right? So, who is your favorite player? Is he or she someone Indian, or you're following someone from the Russian side?
No, actually, I'm not following someone. I just like to play as an hobby. So,
Okay, got it. So, moving ahead, you guys come with a lot of industry experience that you have gained over the years. So, I wanted to ask you about the current technology trend. So, it's like there are a lot of new technologies which are coming in the industry. So, where do you see the current technology trend evolving, and where do you see the current tester placed in that scenario? Any
okay.
thoughts on that?
Oh, okay, looking at current technology boom, what I will suggest that testers should learn from unit testing to integration testing. Integration, that I mean AWS and DevOps, how these technologies are closely coupled. So I think this is the current trend which is going on.
Thank you so much, Amruta, for your views on that. So, Madhvi, what are your views on the current technology scenario?
Yeah, even I would like to second Amrita on that, because currently, in terms of moving on towards cloud and less dependency on the on-premise application, if a tester, from a tester point of view, if someone is aware from the start towards the end of all kind of, like, from unit towards the integration, and even all types of non-functional testing, it would be very beneficial, because although a cloud service is a managed service, but testing it from a tester's perspective would make it more reliable and relevant to the customer. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Madhvi and Amruta, for your views on the current technology side. So, one more question which I would like to ask, that what is your passion and what keeps you going on a daily basis? What makes you going on the day-to-day basis in your work life or your personal life?
Okay. So my passion is like never give up and try new things irrespective of results. And actually, yoga is what keeps me going. The first thing in the morning, I do yoga, which relaxes my mind and helps me plan day-to-day activities effectively.
Thank you so much, Amruta, for that. Madhvi, would you like to add something on your side?
uh, what keeps me going is the as the industry is evolving, so there's so much to learn. So it's I like to read things and go and learn new things. So that is what keeps me going, actually, whatever it is. What however this industry is evolving, there's always a learning curve associated with it, and which keeps my yeah, which keeps me going through work, or be it anything else regarding that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Madhvi, for that. So, one final question before I let you go. So, it's like we have been working from home for quite some time now, for some
Yeah.
extended period. So, how has been your experience working from home? So, would you like to add something to that?
Mm.
uh, Experience from working from home, like, one good thing is you don't have to get up early in the morning and get ready and go to work. You can log in from work directly from home. But it has been good. It has been good to spend time with family while you're working as well. And so there's not much pressure on go or reaching office on time or doing things like that. It's like, okay, you are at a little bit ease also, and obviously the productivity has increased, because y- you have your work accessible all the time. So I would say it has been beneficial as well. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Madhvi, for that. Amrita, would you like to add something, your views or your opinion
Mm.
about work from home thing?
Yeah, what I feel is everything has its own pros and cons, but as Madhvi said, yeah, it's beneficial as well from even organization point of view. As per my view, there are savings on even infrastructure and admin as well, and there is increased productivity due to we are even giving commute time, which is converted to the productive time. So this is benefit of the work from home, but I can feel one con as well, which is like coordination issues. There are like small tasks, sometimes takes longer time due to the coordination, which will be easier in the office.
Yes, Amruta rightly mentioned. So it's like along with a lot of benefits that we have got, so there are some teething
Yes.
issues as well from the work from home thing. A lot of time is consumed in calling and coordinating with folks. That's one of the things. So thank you so much, Madhvi and Amruta, for sharing, for spending your time and sharing your views about the topics and a whole set of issues. So I would like to welcome you once again from the entire team, and we are
Thank
really
you.
looking forward for your session. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.